advice today about Filmora9. Would you want to know how to clone yourself? Let me show you how to do it. But before we start doing it, you have to go to the Google. If you don't have Filmora9, you search in the Google, you make it download and you make it save. When it finishes making save, then we have to open it. And sometimes when you go somewhere else, only you make a video, then you have to clone yourself. But before start in a shooting, make sure the background video was the same place, so people does not see a awkward on your video if the background was different. So let's check it out. My easy step to know how starting make a clone video on our Filmora9. First thing you have to go is in import. You open import, then choose which kind of video would you want to do to make a clone. You open it and then you click add project, you pull it down. If you want another video, then you can take another, then you pull it inside. But my video, I make one thing, then I cut it, then I just put up above of it. Once it's done, then you make a double click on your picture, then have you see there is dots little bit, then look at what my other picture. This is it. Now there is two kind, because I made it two up and down, then there is two kind of picture that you can see. Make it in the middle, so this is good way when your background was in the same place, so the people doesn't watch it awkward when they watch your video. Make sure that it was your picture was in good things. Obviously the video was different. They were not the same video, they were different. Even when I'm moving, they were different. Once you finish doing it, then you go up to the export. You go up to the export. So you have to make a download. Then you choose what you want to make the title of the name of your video, any kind what you want. Then now it start downloading. Once it finished downloading, you click find a target. Then your video, you have to move it somewhere else, because you cannot, so if you want to watch where is your video, you have to move it somewhere else. Then I put my video into the video. So close everything, then you go to the file to check where it gone your video. Now look at click video. Then I check where it gone, is it? This is it. Let's check it out. Now let's see what happened to my, no? That's it. There were two kind of video. It's easier, not same as Filmora before you go somewhere else, but it's very simple and easier to doing it. Then now it's done. Very simple and easier. make a give thumbs up, and thank you visiting my page. I hope you're enjoying it and start making a nice video on your channel. See you next week for our video, and don't forget to make a subscribe. You can write down on the comment also a little advice would you wanna do, or what do you want me to do for next week. See you next week, guys.